Here at 7 Generation Textile Recycling Company, we specialize in recycling your old stuff. Stuff that you don't wear anymore or you just don't want anymore. Things like clothes, shoes, purses, belts, and even toys can be recycled. Also common household items like dishes, silverware, pots, vases, picture frames, decorations, office supplies, etc. Actually, any stuff that is reusable can be recycled. Maybe you can't use it or you don't need it, but there is always somebody that can make good use of your old stuff. Typically, we Americans do a pretty good job recycling aluminum cans, plastic bottles, paper, and cardboard. But have you ever thought, what about all the other stuff? Some of you might have seen your parents taking your old clothes, shoes to a local thrift shop or church. To be honest, this only amounts to a fraction of all that stuff that we end up throwing away. In fact, did you know that close to 9 billion pounds of clothing end up in our landfills each year? That's enough clothes for every person in the United States. Just in the United States, we throw that much stuff away every year. Did you ever wonder where your trash goes after it's picked up from your front door? Well, most of it is taken to landfills, where it is packed down and stored underground. For the most part, we hope the majority of the trash decomposes, but there are so many items that will be buried in the landfills forever. A landfill is like a big pile of garbage, where everybody throws away stuff they don't want anymore. And that huge pile of garbage is not very healthy for our planet, causing pollution to our air, water, and land. The only way to help reduce this rapidly growing problem is to begin recycling as much stuff as possible. Recycling clothes and shoes is not easy because the city garbage companies have no place in their trucks to pick up their clothes and shoes. If they throw it in with the other recyclables like cans and bottles, it will only get wet and moldy and turn into garbage, and then it can't be reused. That's why I started 7 Generation Recycling. I wanted to make it convenient and simple for everybody to be able to recycle their old stuff. Let's take a look at how 7 Generation Recycling has made it easy for everyone to recycle. We start by placing recycling bins at convenient locations that are easy to find in your neighborhood. Our bin host partners are the reason why we are able to host our bins in neighborhoods throughout California. Their contribution to support a greener planet allows us to make it easy for everyone to participate in our recycling program, and I commend them for their efforts and support. When you offer a program that makes it convenient and simple for everyone to recycle, it makes it easy to be green. So when you see one of our 7 Generation bins in your neighborhood, please make an effort to do your part. After our neighbors and green citizens have recycled their clothes, shoes, and other stuff into our recycle bins, our 7G drivers show up to collect the clothes and refresh the recycle bins so they stay looking nice and clean in your neighborhoods. Our recycling materials picked up from the bins get delivered to our 7G warehouse, where everything is sorted and put into 1,000-pound bundles so that we can ship directly to our processors around the globe, who will then sort through every item and make sure that everything gets recycled or reused. Because we offer a safe, easy, and convenient way to recycle, we are able to divert millions of pounds of stuff from going into our landfills. And that is something everybody wants. Most of us are taught not to be so wasteful with our food. So I'm asking you to think about recycling your unwanted clothing and shoes in the same way and not be so wasteful. Remember, recycling clothes and shoes is only one way to help our planet. There are so many simple and easy ways to help. That is why we created this program, so we can share with you how easy it is to be green. So please, do your part and join the recycling bandwagon to a cleaner and healthier planet.